What if I told you a single day on Mars is longer than Earth, but feels completely different? Would your body even recognize time on a planet where the sun behaves differently? A day on Earth ends in 24 hours, but on Mars, time stretches beyond what you expect.
Mars, the cold, silent neighbor of Earth, where time itself feels unfamiliar.
A full day on Mars is called a sol, and it lasts 24 hours and 37 minutes.
Just 37 extra minutes, but enough to slowly confuse your biological clock. On Mars, sunrise looks familiar, yet strangely distant.
The sunlight is weaker because Mars is farther from the sun. At noon, the light never feels as warm as Earth.
Even during the day, Mars remains freezing cold. As the day continues and the sky stays dusty and quiet.
No birds, no wind, sounds like Earth, only silence.
Afternoon on Mars feels longer, stretched by those extra minutes.
And then sunset begins.
Unlike Earth, sunsets on Mars can appear slightly blue.
Night falls quickly and temperatures drop drastically.
The Martian night sky is incredibly clear. With no city lights, the universe reveals itself fully.
But surviving a full day here is another story.
So how did Mars end up with a day so similar yet so different from Earth?
To understand a Martian day, we must go back billions of years. Mars was born from cosmic debris, just like Earth. As it formed, its rotation began. This spin is what defines its day.
But unlike Earth, Mars spins just slightly slower. That tiny difference adds 37 extra minutes to every day. Over time, this changes how life would experience time.
Amazing fact, scientists on Earth already live on Mars time.
They shift their schedules daily to match that extra 37 minutes.
This slow shift affects sleep, energy, and focus. Even robots on Mars follow this unique day.
They wake, work, and sleep based on the Martian sun.
Now compare this with life on Earth.
Earth's 24-hour cycle is perfectly tuned to human biology.
But on Mars, your body slowly drifts out of sync. Each day feels slightly longer, slightly off.
Over weeks, this difference becomes noticeable.
But what if you actually lived there?
Your mornings would start slower under a weaker sun.
And your nights would feel longer and colder than anything on Earth.
Every extra minute would slowly reshape your sense of time.
You wouldn't notice it at first, but your body would.
Sleep cycles would shift little by little every single day.
Your internal clock would slowly fall out of rhythm. This happens because of your circadian rhythm and your body's natural timekeeper.
On Earth, it aligns perfectly with a 24-hour cycle.
But on Mars, that rhythm is pushed beyond its limits. Even a small difference can disrupt human biology.
So can humans truly adapt to a Martian day?
Scientists believe it is possible, but only with strict schedules and artificial time control.
Lights would turn on and off to trick your brain, creating an artificial Earth inside Mars.
Without it, survival becomes much harder.
A day on Mars may sound familiar.
But it feels completely alien.
Same concept of time and different experience entirely. Longer days, colder nights, and a silence beyond imagination. And yet humanity still dreams of living here. Because Mars is not just another planet, it's the next step in our journey.